Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Shopify shipping free amount price and coupon code overlapping. So, if you're facing an issue where the free shipping amount, product price and coupon code overlap on your Shopify checkout, don't worry. I will show you exactly how to fix it in just few simple steps. Now, step 1 is identifying the issue. So when customers apply your coupon code at checkout, sometimes the pricing, free shipping amount and discount overlap, making it hard to read. This usually happens due to theme styling issues or conflict in the checkout layout. So, first go to your Shopify dashboard, click on the online store button, then click on themes. Now, after click on themes, you'll be taken to this page where you'll have to click on the customize button. Now, many times the issue comes from how your theme handles price and shipping information. Try adjusting the text, size, spacing or alignment in the theme settings. So, you can navigate to the product page and here you can easily choose any of these options that you want to edit like text size, spacing and alignment just right here. Just select any one of them and edit them. Now, step 3 will be adding custom CSS to fix your layout. So if adjusting the theme setting doesn't work for you, you may need to add some custom CSS. So go back from this page, head over to the custom page, click on three-dotted icon after your theme, click on edit code. Now, here you'll have to find theme.css or base.css file. So go to the search bar and type in base.css, hit enter. Now, click on base.css option and you'll have to paste a code that will be added in the description of this video and just navigate to the description, copy that code and paste it at the bottom of this page and click on save. Now, this forces each element to display on separate lines and keep the layout clean. Now, step 4 is testing the checkout page. So once you have added the CSS, refresh your checkout page and test it by applying a coupon code. You should now see the price, discount and free shipping amount properly spaced out. And that's it. With just few simple tweaks, you can fix the overlapping issue in your Shopify checkout. If this helped, be sure to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips. See you in the next one.